not engage in using illegal drugs or other things that may cause bad records to you. If you ever get caught doing that, it could ruin your future plans. Abide the law and avoid ending up in the back of police car. Follow simple rules, then okay. Third, get involved. Get involved in school or in other organizations such as environmental organizations, governmental, or many more. Join clubs and also join clubs that suits your personality or anything. You could try um, some sports, or it will help you become motivated and responsible. Fourth, have a healthy social life. Make friends and have at least 2 best friends. Go outing, shopping, relaxing, and bonding with them. Healthy social life is the key to enjoying life in spite of the stress of school or work. Fifth, don't compare your life to other people's lives. It makes you more insecure. You're underestimating yourself, and it will make yourself inferior to others. Remember that no matter how perfect their lives may seem, behind closed doors, it is tragedy, insecurity, and other difficulties. Last but not the least, listen to your parents. Obey your parents even though you don't want to. They know what's best for you. They will do everything to support you, and because they are in the real world, not in the surreal real world. They had been teenagers once. They had made mistakes and they learned. Let me end this speech by sharing to you this quote. To accomplish great things, you must not only act, but also dream. Not only plan,